Even before 2026 begins, Happy New Year posts are already going viral everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, AI-generated New Year posts are dominating the trends. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can also create viral New Year posts using AI for free. Hello everyone! If you also want your posts to get thousands of views before 2026 even starts, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because the method I'm about to share is 100% working, beginner-friendly, and extremely powerful. All the New Year images you are seeing on the screen right now were created by me using AI. And today I'm going to show you the exact same process step by step. First, open Google and search for Google Gemini. Open the website. If you're not already logged in, simply sign up. I'm already logged in, so I'm on the main dashboard. Now, upload a simple photo of yourself or any image you want to use for your New Year post. Next, paste the special AI prompt that I'm going to provide you. Then press Enter, and that's it. Your 2026 New Year viral image is ready. In the same way, you can upload more images and use the prompt to generate multiple New Year designs with a completely trending professional look. If you also want to create these 2026 New Year viral AI images, then write "Yes" in the comments, and I will provide you with all the premium prompts for free. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel, because here we share powerful content about AI tools, content creation, and online growth every day.